So I'm just going to take a peek at the vines that I planted. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh no, I think there was a moose coming through here. Oh my gosh. Okay, so look at that. That. Oh, and then it came through here. Oh boy. Okay, so the bugs are out. Not as bad as before. Joe, yeah? I think we have some moose tracks here.
Some down on the beach too.
Down at the beach?
Yeah. Here's one.
Well, same thing here. Do you see any baby ones?
No. I looked around last night. I didn't see anything other than the big ones down there.
Okay. Yeah, they're coming through here too, so I don't know if they walked through there or just up the dock there from the water, right from the lake. The flowers are just coming in beautifully. Look at the bleeding hearts. Wow. And the lilac is doing so nicely. The candy tuft is in bloom. The iris are doing well, and I forgot to bring the iris again. Can you believe it? It was raining before I left, and I was just trying not to get wet. So there you go. And there's the creepy phlox in bloom, as well as these. Yeah, this area here I'm just going to fill with blue iris. And there's more creepy phlox there. And the hydrangea is looking really, really nice. And the hens and chicks are beautiful there. So I'd like to get this garden cleaned up. There's a nice breeze, but it's hot. I think it's around 25. So yeah, we're going to do some cleanup. We're going to finish off the railing over there. Maybe do some of the trim. If Joe cuts the corners, then I can quickly, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 corners. Hopefully I'll have enough wood for that and have it all consistent, looking the same. So I'll videotape later when I'm working on these things. So I think the playhouse is going to be number 1. During my breaks, I'll do some planting. Put those flowers in the vases. I'd like to hang out the lighting that we have for the fire pit here. We've had it like for 2 years now and we haven't put it up, so I think I'd like to put it up and enjoy them. So really pleased with this garden. We are celebrating Eva's 5th birthday this year. She wanted to celebrate it at the cottage and did not want to have a party. So Elizabeth is still going to do a little get together with the family, but she wanted to come up, so we're going to spend the day here. We've got all sorts of treats all ready to go over there. They're everywhere. So Eva got her birthday gift. And Carter's getting an early birthday gift. So that's being assembled. Turn, Eva.
Keep pedaling. You gotta use your muscles. See if you can bring it down to the playhouse, or do you want to drive around up here for a little while?
I don't think that's going to go well on the sand. Is there anything in the instructions? There are no instructions? Right up in the corner there. So we've got the rock climbing here. Got the anchor here ready to go in case we need to stop the ship. We've got the elm here, and the first mate will be in control of the telescope here, and he will look across the bay all the way down to the lake to see if there's any pirates coming. So glad I put this up. I'm gonna have to figure out what to do with this here. Probably put something coming out this way and then angled down to hide that yuckiness. We've got the kids' picnic table set up here. Maybe we'll move it here. Let's see. No, there isn't enough room. So happy with this. My goodness. We'll have to work on the railing. And get them to write their little message on the little ceiling fan thing blades that we have. So there it is. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy. Maybe next time we're up, we'll have to do cleanup. Fantastic. Thank you. kids are wanting to go to.